And welcome, viewers. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. I'm your host, Dan, aka Smash-A-Mash. Let's blast through some meteorology info. It's exciting. It's inviting. It's delicious. And I'm not sure if it's nutritious, but here are the jet streams of the eastern world. And look at the chaos around eastern Australia. Major bends here. The jet stream is all over the place. It's pure chaos in the southern hemisphere. Leave us a comment if you're from under. I mean from under the equator. Here are the surface winds of this side of the planet. Strong cyclonic system here rotating counterclockwise in the North Pacific. Strong winds there. Just showed you at least 59 miles an hour. Here are the surface winds of the western world. We've got two calm ridges here in the North Atlantic, as well as some strong south to north winds here in between Greenland and Iceland. Some pretty strong winds in the Gulf as well. Here are the jets of the west. And look at the extreme kinks over the U.S. Extreme bends here driving some cold air way far south, including some winter storm warnings for southern Texas. Pretty chaotic jet stream, especially in the northern hemisphere. Really chaotic jet stream, period. In both hemispheres on the western side of the world. So next we're showing temperature. And we'll just advance the European forecast for temperature here. Very cold at the moment in Pennsylvania. I think it was only 17 degrees. Check our Instagram page. We did put up a post about it. Instagram.com/Smash-A-Mash. So this is the European forecast for pressure. We'll let it get to the 72-hour mark. We usually do 72-hour forecasts for whatever is looking interesting on the channel. We've been doing daily meteorology segments here for quite a while. I'm not exactly sure even how long. And mainly showing global weather patterns as well as the U.S. lower 48 forecasts. There's where we expect things to be by the European model. Very cold here, continuing into Monday the 24th. So here's your temperature anomaly forecast based on the GFS model over the next 72 hours. Keep in mind this is degrees Celsius. Very, very cold temperatures, making it well into Mexico here. Some cold days in Acapulco, as well as in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Next, your GFS precipitation forecast as well as pressure. High pressure ridge going to be hanging around the northern Rockies there. Not a whole lot of precipitation. Again, that's your 72-hour GFS pressure and precipitation forecast. Next, your weather.gov map, and you can see some winter weather warnings here. Southern Texas, as well as the east coast of the U.S. If your county is lit up, head to weather.gov and click it to find out what your statements are. Hard freeze warnings in Louisiana as cold temperatures invade the south central portion of the U.S. No major lightning strikes at the moment, terrestrially speaking. Some lightning in the Gulf and off the coast of Florida, though. Here's a real-time lightning map. Courtesy lightningmaps.org. It's good times to know where lightning is striking. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch. Thanks to our followers over there. If you're a big channel, please host us. Help us out. Tell your friends and foes about us. We are also on BitChute. We put up an additional video there. We don't always put up our space weather. We did put one up there as a teaser. And we remind you to come view us on YouTube. If you're only viewing on BitChute, you're missing like 90% of the content. Thanks to our YouTube viewers for putting up with the pathetic censorship on the platform. We would prefer to say whatever we want, but we don't. One place we say whatever we want is on our own website, smashamash.com/SmashTeam. Thanks to our gold and silver Smash Team members over at smashamash.com/SmashTeam. you're increasing the likelihood these videos will continue to exist and remain publicly visible. Next, looking at the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. It's the NASA GOES interactive weather satellite showing water vapor. It even shows water vapor not condensed onto clouds, folks. And hence, it gives you all kinds of insight into what's going on. You can see some dry air here thrusting south across Nevada as the jet stream drives additional cold air into the U.S. Here's your all 50 states U.S. Doppler radar view. Some rather heavy precipitation here at southern Alaska. We'll focus the rest of the video on the lower 48. And there's what's going on in that region of Earth. Here's a shortwave radiation map showing clouds and fog at night. And here's the water vapor for the lower 48. A band of dry air creating clear skies over the central portion of the country. The skies are a little less clear down here and down here. Here's your recap. It's the U.S. Doppler Radar. There are clouds and fog when it's too dark to see them with the visible satellite. And there is the water vapor. Thanks for tuning into our meteorology segment. Make sure you check out our space weather videos if you haven't. They usually premiere after the meteorology segment. We've got 3 of them today once again. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. And I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted. Name it news.